Okay, last one of the day, this sweet Ducati Monster. This is also getting a full works. This is going to have a full trot, valet, snow foam, safe wash, extensive exhaust polishing. All these wheels, disc, calipers will all be meticulously cleaned. We're going to take these springs off, get all that exhaust pipes all polished up. We're going to then cover it with ACF 50. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork, get some gloss back into it, get all these imperfections out. It's got some marks on here. We'll get all that marked out, get all that glossed out. Get all this old chain lube off that's got all the grit in it. We'll blow dry that, re-lube that up. Like I said, we'll get all these wheels minted. Then we're going to prep it and get some Ultimax Signature Pro ceramic. Really get that gloss bling and get it fully protected. Oh yeah, this will be a nice one. Oh my goodness. Look at the glass. There you go, 2.5 hours later, this Ducati Monster has been fully trotted. This is a full works valet. Everything on this bike has been thoroughly cleaned, protected. We did the usual, polished up all that exhaust, ACF 50'd after everything afterwards. All the wheels have been meticulously cleaned, all the discs. Degreased all the old chain lube. This had all extra coating of ACF 50 because they always corrode. All the suspension links. Just did a two-stage machine polish. Cartech Final Cut 9000, then sealed it with the Ultimax Signature Pro. Look at that. This thing's freaking gorgeous.